This brand is available through a joint venture of Hitachi and Johnson Controls, and the units are available in the USA and Canada but only through authorized installers. All of these heat pumps feature coated coils for corrosion resistance as well as a durable powder coat finish on the outdoor units to keep them looking good for many years. They all have built-in Wi-Fi with geolocation to automatically change the unit operating mode based on your smartphone's location and optional voice controls through Alexa and Google Assistant. The units have activated carbon filters with a stainless steel pre-filter to enhance the home's air quality, as well as 4-way auto swing louvers on wall-mounted indoor units for good air circulation and more uniform temperatures throughout the room. They feature eco and sleep modes with occupancy sensors for energy savings and are backed by a very good guarantee when they are registered. The H-Series offers single-zone units are available in 22.5 CR2 efficiencies, 500 models, and 20.5 CR2, 700 models. The units have a unique frost wash system where they cause the moisture on the coils to freeze and then they thaw it out with the water flushing dirt and bacteria from the coil. The system automatically senses the room occupancy and initiates cleaning at regular intervals. While this technology might actually kill mold, bacteria, and viruses, washing the dirt from the coils in this manner is ineffective and could result in clogging of the condensate drain. The M400 series have a 22 CR efficiency and offers multi-zone outdoor units that can serve from 2 to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.